Before a tree is good enough for use, it takes a whole lot of growing. Through season changes and some tough weather, some trees take more than 30 to 80 years before their wood is mature enough for turning them into chairs. Our whole production line too, before having achieved this level of quality standard, has gone through a lot. Grueling experience really makes fine craftsmanship. Our team of craftsmen and designers need to know the wood. What kind of wood is the right wood becomes a deciding factor. Understand its beauty or the durability defines and sets one kind from another. Every stage is completed with a true understanding of what we do. Delicate eye onto the details that can turn raw materials into a unique creation. Our team of designers and craftsmen work tirelessly under the concept of engineer and art. Engineer for quality and durability that our users can count on. Every chair we make needs to meet a specific set of standards and safety control. And art for the beauty to the senses that is immediate to the touch. It is a form of craft making through the experienced hands of craftsmen at every stage for perfection and fineness in every sense. The result is this unique beauty, unlike any others. The chair that will last for a long time, as long as a tree. It will stand tall, awaiting another tree to grow and replace itself. With the belief and experience which we have fostered for more than 36 years. We have grown and will continue to grow as the Asia's leading brand. We are proud to be the best chair maker for you.